Hi everyone, thanks for watching. My name's Josh with Solloway Cleaning and Restoration. This video is a part of our commercial case study portfolio, and today we're going to be talking about a water damage we did at a church in Bedford, New Hampshire. The source of this loss was a sprinkler burst. An employee left a space heater on overnight in an office, which caused the sprinkler to engage and flood a big part of the church. So you had water everywhere, needed to be extracted quickly. Thankfully, this customer was an ERP client of ours, so we already had a pre-disaster plan established. So the response was simple, quick, and efficient. We were on site with 2 crews within an hour, extracting all the water from all the affected areas. And the customer was really concerned about getting the patrons through the door that morning. They have over 1,000 people come through every Sunday morning, and they wanted to make sure they could open, which we were able to safely and quickly achieve for them through our extraction and drying that morning. So we got it to a state where they could safely let people come into the building that morning, and then we came back with our crews later in the day and finished the water damage cleanup. So another successful water damage cleanup, and this one was in Bedford, New Hampshire.